Well, good afternoon, early afternoon. It's the middle of March and look at this weather. So for those of you that don't live in the UK and believe all the stories about the weather being terrible 24/7, 365 days of the year, don't believe a word. Look at it. It's actually pretty damn warm as well, and we are in the middle of March. Plenty of other shit going on around the world. Sneaky Russians are bombing the crap out of Ukraine, which is not big or clever. Now, in my last video I mentioned it was about the Let's Get Tiddly Shropshire Triumph Owners Club rally in June. A little short video showing some trophies that I'd cobbled together for them. Well, I went to the meeting. They have 2 monthly meetings, and I went to one of them last night, and I can't remember whether they said there's 15 places left or 17, but it's one of those two. So if you want to come along, get in there sharpish. You can either come up, have a camp. There's two types of ticket: camping tickets for the 2 days, live music, teas, coffee, food, all that sort of thing. Or you can do what I'm doing, because I don't live very far away from it. Just get a day ticket and come and go as you please. Definitely worthy of a look, I'd say. So if you want to go, if you fancy it, get in there quick. Now that I'm going to be doing a video soon, possibly within the next week, I'm going to have a go at making a new end can for this exhaust. The only thing I'm not keen of with the Vance & Hines exhaust is it's got a really big bulky end can. And again, this was something I mentioned in a recent video. I'm trying to make the bike look and be in keeping with the original 1950s, 60s kind of scramblers. Very minimalist, which is difficult on a modern bike because there's a lot of things you're legally required to have. So if I can't get rid of it, then I can try, and I have been trying, to hide it away. So I just want to reduce the size of the exhaust, but I don't really want to increase the noise too much. That's the bit I'm not too sure about until I've done it. Now, it's not something everyone will be able to do, and I'll give you a clue. A little piece of sheet stainless steel, a stainless steel washer, and a piece of stainless steel pipe, and that's all that's going into the making of it. Now, if that's tight for him in a little smart roadster, there's going to be some normal sized cars and vans and things proper struggling to get through there. Some people are bloody inconsiderate. I mean, the guy who parked there, Everybody's out and about, sun shining. Oh, this is what the roadworks were all about. First off, I've been along here for a while, and we now have traffic lights on this junction. What else has been happening? Fuel price has gone through the ceiling. That's pissing a lot of people off. Fortunately, this thing doesn't hold too much. I know it costs me more now, but it is very economical. Just for a minute I thought he was going to go then. I think I'd have come off worse off there. Right, I've been out and about getting a few bits and pieces, so I'm not going off on some big epic journey somewhere. This is just me tatting around locally. Better. This mirror, I keep clouting it when it's in the garage. And because they're quite small mirrors, the tiniest bit of movement and it's a bloody mile out. Oh, hello, more roadworks. Quite a few people still wear face masks, and it's no longer a legal requirement in the UK. But each to their own. number of times I was on my bike and I forgot one, and so I kept my helmet on. Now, before all this COVID crap kicked off, that would have been frowned upon because they couldn't see your face, but people accept it now. Boy, there is some traffic around.